Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Wednesday, the 16th of December 2020. My name is Tamer.
And I'm Laura.
And we're going to be starting the Euro-Yen analysis.
Euro rose against the Japanese yen on Wednesday, increasing the price of the Euro-Yen pair to more than 125.00, ahead of the release of European Market PMI Composite news.
Now currently this Euro-Yen pair is trading around the 125.95 with the following resistance levels. Now looking at the chart closely, we can see resistance 1 is a 126.46, which is the high of September 10, 2020. Second resistance is at 126.71, which is the upper trend line arm. Finally, the third resistance is at 127.07, a key horizontal resistance level.
On the downside, the price of the Euro-Yen pair might find some significant support near the given below price swap. These support might help the price of the Euro-Yen pair to sustain around the set level. As support 1 will be facing 125.78, which is the low of December 11th this year. As support 2 will be facing 125.37, which is the lower trend line arm, and at support 3 it will be 124.98, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level support.
Now the news that we need to keep in mind is the European Market PMI Composite news. The European Market Economics plans to release stats for the European Market PMI Composite later on today. And as per economists' view, the European Market PMI Composite news registered a reading of 45.8 in December as compared to a reading of 45.3 in the previous month.
The European market economic stats reflect the overall business conditions of private sector companies. The data is collected and evaluated after consideration of responses received amid the survey. In the survey, purchasing executives and managers of both large and small-scale companies are asked to fill a questionnaire describing the challenges and prospects they came across over the given period.
Once the data is compiled, it gets released in form of a percentage showing current improvements or deterioration of the business's conditions in the private sector as compared to the conditions in the previous months. Generally speaking, reading above 50 signals improvements, hence suggests a bullish market for the Euro-Yen and the pair ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, given the economic outlook of the pair over the past few days, selling the Euro-Yen pair around current level might be a worthwhile trading decision in short to medium term.
Now let's move on to the New Zealand-US analysis.
The New Zealand dollar inched higher against the US dollar on Wednesday, increasing the price of the pair to more than 0.7, ahead of the release of New Zealand gross domestic product news.
Now this pair is currently trading, which is the Kiwi, around 70.94. It's likely to come across the following resistance levels. Looking at the chart closely, we can see the first resistance is at 71.19, which is the confluence of a trend line and a major horizontal resistance. Second resistance is at 72 cents even, a psychological number. Finally, third resistance is at 73.95, the high of April 1st, 2018.
On the downside, the pair might find multiple support levels, helping the price to sustain around the given below price tag. As support 1 will be facing 0.7059, which is the low of December 15th, 2020. As support 2 will be facing 0.7009, which is horizontal support level. As support 3 will be facing 0.6969, which is 23.6% Fibonacci level support.
Okay, so the news we need to watch out for is the New Zealand gross domestic product news, big news. New Zealand anticipates releasing numbers for the New Zealand gross domestic product news today. And according to economists' view, the NZDUSD gross domestic, and according to economists, the New Zealand GDP reached a reading of negative 1.3% in the third quarter this year, as compared to the reading of 12.4% in the third quarter of the previous year.
The stats for the New Zealand GDP news reflects the monetary value of all products and services being produced within the country over the given time. The gross domestic product figure is considered an important economic indicator since it reflects the overall economic activity and financial health of the country. Generally speaking, higher numbers are seen positive for the New Zealand dollar and suggest a bullish market for the New Zealand USD pair ahead and vice versa.
In conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair over the past few days, buying it around the current levels might yield some quick profits in short-term trading. As always, when trading with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
Please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, YouTube channel, and our Instagram. There's a lot for us to teach.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.